The camera pans across a glittering stage as the crowd erupts into cheers. Jojo Siwa bursts onto the stage, her iconic bow shining under the spotlight. In a world where music is the heartbeat of millions, there emerges a phenomenon like no other. Jojo Siwa. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey through the life and career of the vibrant pop sensation. Flashback of Jojo's childhood. Born on May 19, 2003, in the heartland of America, Omaha, Nebraska, Joel Joni Siwa, known affectionately as Jojo, displayed an insatiable passion for performance from a tender age. Jojo's parents. Jessalyn Siwa. From the moment Jojo could walk, she was dancing. We knew she was destined for greatness. Tom Siwa. Her energy was infectious. You couldn't help but smile when she was around. Jojo's audition for Abby's ultimate dance competition. At just 9 years old, Jojo seized the opportunity to showcase her talent on Abby Lee Miller's reality show. Little did the world know, they were about to witness the birth of a star. Jojo's memorable moments on the show. Despite facing formidable challenges, Jojo danced her way into the hearts of audiences worldwide, leaving an indelible mark on the dance competition scene. Jojo reflects on her experience on the show. Abby's ultimate dance competition taught me that hard work and determination can turn dreams into reality. I'm forever grateful for that experience. Jojo's journey on Dance Moms. Jojo's infectious charm and undeniable talent secured her a spot on the hit reality show Dance Moms, where she quickly became a fan favorite. Jojo's standout moments on Dance Moms. Her iconic bows and exuberant spirit made her a symbol of empowerment for young fans everywhere. Jojo discusses her growth on the show. Jojo Siwa. Dance Moms was a whirlwind experience that shaped me into the person I am today. It taught me to embrace my uniqueness and never apologize for who I am. Jojo's foray into the music industry. With her sights set on conquering new heights, Jojo ventured into the realm of music, releasing her debut single, Boomerang, in 2016. Jojo's music videos. Her music struck a chord with fans worldwide, empowering them to stand tall in the face of adversity and spread positivity. Jojo reflects on her musical journey. Music has always been my outlet for self-expression. I'm grateful to have a platform where I can share my message of love and acceptance with the world. Jojo's philanthropic efforts. Beyond her achievements in entertainment, Jojo is a passionate advocate for philanthropy and social change. Jojo's involvement in various charitable initiatives. She tirelessly uses her platform to spread messages of kindness, inclusivity, and acceptance, inspiring millions to make a difference in their communities. Jojo discusses the importance of giving back. I believe it's essential to use my voice to uplift others and create positive change in the world. We all have the power to make a difference, no matter how small our actions may seem. Jojo performs on stage in front of a sold-out crowd. As Jojo continues to dance through life, her infectious energy and unwavering optimism serve as a beacon of hope for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the life and career of Jojo Siwa. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. If you loved this video, be sure to check out our other videos for more exciting stories and behind-the-scenes exclusives.